Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to cut up and divide your video into several parts on the Premiere Rush application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the plus icon down below to select a video from your gallery, or tap on the one that you have already inserted. Now slide to the right side of the screen until you find this cut or the scissor icon down below. All you have to do is position your to that part of the video that you want to divide up. So I have selected the video in the middle of the screen, and then all you have to do is clicking on the scissor icon down below. As you can see, that particular section has been divided up into two distinct sections, as you can see indicated with these frames. As you can see, these are two individual sections. If you want to undo this step, tap on the arrow icon at the top of the screen, and now as you can see, it has been reset to a bigger individual section. So if I position this blue line into this part, meaning that I want to divide up the section into these two parts indicated in the orange frame, and I tap on the scissor button, you can see that I have these two sections right now. So that's how you can cut up and divide up your video into several distinct sections. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.